Hey, what is going on everyone, this is Chipmist here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Quiet Comfort 35 Generation 2. So I just recently ordered these directly through Bose and they cost me $350 plus tax, and it's about the same price on Amazon as well, so depending on where you buy it the tax might be applicable or not. But yeah, these are some of the premium headphones on the market right now. I've had some of the other headphones in this category earlier. I've had the Sonys and I have had the Beats Studios, which are around the same price, but generally Beats tend to have a little more discount on them depending on the season. So these are fairly new from Bose. This is the Generation 2, so that means that the difference from Generation 1 to Generation 2 is that it comes built in with Google Assistant. And no, you do not need an Android phone to utilize the Google Assistant from what I've heard so far. So I'm going to set it up with an iPhone in the next video, and I'll show you how the setup process works. Obviously, this does not contain the W1 chip as the Apple AirPods, so it's not going to be as seamless as the AirPods, but all in all, this is going to be much better quality and with some noise cancellation. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we can see on the box is the picture of the headphones itself. Nothing crazy. I got the black version. They also come in a silver. I just didn't get the silver just because I thought that with the wear and tear, the black would sustain for a longer time compared to the silver versions. Obviously, Bose does not have as many choices as Beats does in terms of colors. Beats come in 7 colors versus Bose, which only come in 2, which have been pretty much standard throughout their history of noise cancelling headphones. Overall, as you can see, the headphones don't look very different from the other noise cancellation headphones that they've made over the years, such as the Quiet Comfort 25s or even 15s. And suffice to say that Quiet Comfort 25s, from what I've had them, they have been really comfortable, and I'm hoping these continue that trend. As you can see on the box, it clearly mentions that it has the Google Assistant built in, and these are compatible with the iPhone, iPad, and the iPod. Nothing fancy there. They just tend to mention that just because Google Assistant generally accompanied by Android. So that's pretty much it on the box itself. Let's go ahead and unbox this. As soon as we open the box, we are greeted with this Bose logo. Pretty much just a standard, tutorial on how to connect it and how to get the app. We're going to talk about the app in the next video, but for now, let's open the headphones. And so here we have the box. So like always, the headphones come inside a hard shell case, and obviously the silicone. So putting all of that aside, let's look at the box itself. So this is a pretty hard shell box, pretty nice quality, made of leather, and has a little pocket for you to keep a cable or so. Opening the box itself, we can see that the box contains nothing but the headphones and a little aux cable. Apart from that, the only other thing that comes into the headphones is the charging cable. So now that is something that has been different from the earlier versions of noise cancelling Bose headphones. All of the other versions used to take a AA battery, but now they are rechargeable and they offer up to 20 hours of battery life. So all in all, they come with a micro USB cable. I kind of wished it was USB-C so that it would work with all of my other devices, but apart from that, nothing special around here. The next thing that comes in the box is the auxiliary cable. Nothing standard here, since this is a 2.5mm to 3.5mm. I kind of hoped that Bose would have made this 3.5 to 3.5 so it can be used for other purposes, but clearly if you lose this cable, you're probably going to have to buy one from Bose itself or something on Amazon. So like how we found the headphones fold completely to the side so that you can fold them into the case and they fit nice and tight. So that's been pretty much it for the unboxing for the Bose QC35 2s. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and share this video on Facebook and Twitter. And apart from that, thanks for watching. Anyways, until next time, see you guys later. Peace.